Take a ride with me to Fort Beekenburg. Hi, I'm Shavia. Exploring Curacao and the world is my passion. So dive in with me as I show you around. Fort Beekenburg is a round chest rook look-alike structure that used to protect Curacao from intruders.
This fort was named after Director Van Beek, who was in charge of the city's defense in the beginning of the 1700s. From what I read, it is the most well-preserved fort in the Caribbean region.
Up until 2005, the Fort Beekenburg was not accessible because the surrounding area was privately owned by the oil company. The great thing about this place is that you can climb all the way up top to see the most spectacular view. Fort Beekenburg has enough stairs to give you a full workout. It all starts from below, where you have to take a set of steps to reach a door. Behind the door lies a platform with different cannons. There is also a cool guardhouse that has just enough room for one standing person. After passing the platform, continue straight until you reach the base of the fort. From there is another set of steps to reach the first level. You can already get a glimpse of the incredible view that awaits at the top floor.
The view up here is so awesome.
To get on top, you'll have to go through a narrow path and up a steep ladder. Once you're up, this is what you'll see. A view of the
Caracas Bay
and the
Spanish water. Protection of this area was very important to the Dutch because at Caracas Bay and Spanish water, it was very easy to come on land. So they wanted to make sure their enemies never got on land. During the 18th centuries, the Dutch battled the English and the French from Fort Beekenburg. An interesting fact is that this fort has never lost a battle.
All those steps were definitely worth it, don't you agree? Got something to say? Sound off in the comment section. Your comments are very much welcome. Feel free to like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. More about Fort Beekenburg at Curacao Vacation Vlog.